National Weather Service in Milwaukee has issued a special marine warning for Lake Michigan nearshore and open waters to mid-lake from Sheboygan, Wisconsin to Port Washington, Wisconsin until 8:30 p.m. At 6:56 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing winds 34 knots or greater and large hail, located along a line extending from near Sheboygan to 48 nautical miles west of Port Washington, moving east at 40 knots. Severe thunderstorms will be near Sheboygan around 7 p.m. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Ozaukee County in southeast Wisconsin, southwestern, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until these storms pass.
Double header!
National Weather Service in Milwaukee has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Ozaukee County in southeast Wisconsin, southwestern Sheboygan County in east central Wisconsin, Washington County in southeast Wisconsin, Dutch County in southeast Wisconsin, southeastern Fond du Lac County in east central Wisconsin until 8 p.m. At 6:59 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Waupun to near Fall River, moving east at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Mayville around 7:10 p.m., Porticon, Juneau, Loma, and Perth around 7:15 p.m., Eustis Ford around 7:20 p.m., Iron Ridge around 7:25 p.m., Hartford and Kewanskum around 7:30 p.m., Slinger around 7:40 p.m., Jackson and Random Lake around 7:45 p.m., West Bend around 7:50 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Fillmore, Ashford, Silver Creek, Burnett, Minnesota Junction, Waukesha, Nanaw,